Elsa here, and I am here with Punky Color. We are going to bleach my roots today, and as you can see, it's long overdue. So today we're going to be using Punky Color's Lightning Fast Bleach Kit, and it has 40 volume developer, which is perfect for my dark brown hair, so stay tuned.
Take it back, what you said. I wonder what it is you meant.
Before we get started, just make sure to check out the instructions very quick. Personally, I always like to look at the instructions again. I bleach my hair probably once every 4 months, and it's always good to remind myself what to do and what not to do when you're doing a whole process in your hair. So we are gonna start doing the mix. Basically, it's just 1:2 ratio. So you do 1 part powder and then 2 parts of the developer.
Changing the way I think.
First things first, you want to make sure your hair is free of tangles so you have no issues when it comes to sectioning, parting, and applying the bleach on your hair. The way I like to section my hair, I like to just make sure I have a middle part and I go all the way straight down. Once I have the middle part, I'm going to section off my hair from my ear all the way to the back of my head. So you're going to have a total of 4 sections. And of course, before you apply the bleach on your hair, go ahead and wear some gloves to protect your skin, and wear a cape or a towel, something just to make sure you protect your skin down here as well. So now that you're all protected, time for the fun part. Basically for application, just make sure you're applying the bleach a 1/4 inch from your scalp just to prevent any scalp irritation.
Your voice again. Lately, baby, I've been changing.
Okay, so the application is all done. I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. So I just finished the whole bleaching process on my hair. Basically what I did on this side to remove the hair color that I had previously. After I was done applying the bleach on my roots, I went ahead and actually pulled it down once I was done applying on my roots. I let it sit there for at the most 1 to 2 minutes and I just washed it out right afterwards. And what I used to wash it out was a conditioning shampoo. Of course, I did not use any conditioner or masks. I wanted to get maximum color coverage with the hair dye that I'm going to be using. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you can shop any of the products that I use on punky.com.
Lately, babe.